Well, yesterday kind of sucked. We beat into the wind all day long. We sailed for a couple hours, but the wind just wasn't in our favor, and the the waves really weren't in our favor, and the current wasn't in our favor either. We were trying to get to one anchorage and we didn't make it, so we basically dropped anchor because we were just exhausted. We couldn't go any farther. We just didn't have anything left in us. We were so seasick. And so we dropped anchor, and the Reboot just rocked and rolled until about midnight, and then the wind shifted and we finally got some protection from the winds, and we were able to get some sleep. But today, instead of trying to push farther and get all the way to the Keys, we're just going to go to the anchorage we had planned on going to yesterday. We're just going to go there today and take a break for the day. We should get there around 10:30 in the morning. This is day 5 out of however many we want to have. And then, so we were talking about it. What we should have done was not left Marco Island yesterday, because the wind and the current was not in our favor. And now we really, that happened to us when we left Dry Tortugas, but that was sort of more extreme. The weather didn't look that extreme yesterday, and really it wasn't. It was just when you pound into the waves, even if they're only 2-foot waves, it's absolutely miserable. So we are just doing a quick zip, and we're hugging the coastline, as close to the coastline as we can get and still stay in deep enough water. We've got about 5 feet under our keel right now. So we're just going to drop anchor in the protected anchorage in a few hours and just take a break, take a nap, take a shower, get some good food in us, because neither one of us was able to eat much more than protein bars yesterday because we were so nauseous. And tomorrow does look like a good weather window, current-wise and wave height-wise, for getting to the Keys. The wind still looks kind of sucky, but it also is like not a lot of wind. So we'll take not a lot of wind, even if it's in the wrong direction. What would be great is if it was good wind in the right direction, but not our best day. But I told you I would tell you the awesome and the awful. Yesterday was the awful. Hoping it gets better from here. And a lot of it was our fault, like 100%. We awfuled ourselves yesterday. It was absolutely our fault. So, and we made the decision together and regretted it together. Oh, and today's my birthday. So here's hoping that it gets better from here on out. Oh, I believe it will.
See you out there.